Hi, let's talk today about ES modules, React Native and Virtual DOM. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here and you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. Marcy Sutton has published an article X 3.0 has arrived. Here's what you need to know. This is a brief overview of new product's features. Here you can get to know how to use X 3.0 and Shadow DOM and run axeBuilder for the automation purpose. Lin Clark has posted an article ES Modules, a cartoon deep dive. It covers such topics as construction ES modules, file search and file fetch, parsing and more. Have a look. Mark Johnson has posted an article with a provocative title How GraphQL Replaces Redux. In fact, this is a story about the replacing of React API by GraphQL, and as a result, a waiver of Redux as an undue element. If you're interested in GraphQL, take a look at a complete React with GraphQL tutorial. This is an extensive walkthrough of the building a simple client for GitHub issues step using GitHub's GraphQL API. In case you decided to give React Native a chance and now you are looking for a good tutorial to start, Brandon Morelli has something for you. 25 React Native tutorials contains a list of best courses and tutorials on React Native basics. The next point on my list is JavaScript to Rush and Back Again, a Wasm Bindgen tale by Alex Crichton. Using Hello World example, Alex describes how Wasm Bindgen enables interoperability between WebAssembly modules and JavaScript. You can find this article on Mozilla Hacks. If you use or going to use Node.js for your project, you might be interested in awesome Node.js list. This is a curated list of Node.js packages and resources. The Comprehensive Guide to JavaScript Design Patterns by Marco Mishura is a good basis for people who want to learn design patterns. Here you can get acquainted with a brief history of JavaScript. It is a short introduction into design patterns with several JavaScript examples. Lewis Manuel has posted an impressive tutorial, namely developing a creative upload interaction with JavaScript and Canvas. This is the great example how you can improve user experience with visual effects. "11 JavaScript machine learning libraries to use in your app" is a list of production-ready JS libraries that you might consider for your project requiring ML or NLP. At the end of the article, you'll find 5 more libraries as a bonus. Functional programming in JavaScript is all the rage these days. Applying this approach, you can improve readability, maintainability, and testability of your code. You're concerned about avoiding callback hell just to fail into the async await trap instead. In the article How to Escape Async Await Hell, the author explains what async await hell is, and also he shares some tips and tricks how to avoid it. Usually, modifying a browser scroll bar behavior is not a good idea. Nonetheless, when you really need that, scroll to the future. Scrolling on the modern web comes in handy for you. This is a whirlwind tour of the latest CSS and JavaScript features that explains how to create a smooth navigation through a single page. Optimizing React Virtual DOM Explained by Alexey Ivanov demystifies JSX, shows you how to React makes rendering decisions. Moreover, it explains how to find the bottlenecks and shares some tips how to avoid common mistakes. In his turn, Nick Babish has posted animated transitions in mobile apps. In this article, he focuses on the usage of animation in user interface and provides several examples how animation can improve the user experience. You can read this article on UX Planet. If you like this video, give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and stay curious!